Faith is the master chemist of the mind. When you mix strong faith with your deepest desires, your subconscious instantly picks it up, transforms it, and sends it straight to infinite intelligence, like a direct prayer. In this short video, I'll show you exactly how to develop this kind of unshakable faith that actually turns dreams into real success. The most powerful way to create faith is through autosuggestion, daily repetition of positive instructions to your subconscious mind. When you blend faith with the emotions of love and strong desire, your thoughts gain incredible force. They open a direct channel to unlimited intelligence, start moving you toward your goals. Here's the key. Whatever you repeat with real feeling, your subconscious eventually accepts as truth and turns into physical reality, good or bad. Many people stay stuck in failure because they've been feeding their mind fear and doubt for years. The fix is simple but powerful. Start acting, feeling, and speaking as if you already have the success, money, or life you want. This positive deception reprograms your mind fast. Napoleon Hill proved this principle works on a massive scale. One man's clear idea, backed by burning desire and real faith, helped create the United States Steel Corporation and generated hundreds of millions in value at the time. The results start the same way, in thought, strengthened by faith. Bottom line, both poverty and riches are offspring of your thoughts. Faith removes every limit you've placed on yourself. Start today. Daily repetition. Act like you've already won. If you're committed to building real faith, drop a comment right now. I choose faith. Like the video, if it hit you, subscribe for more mindset keys and share it with someone. Think. Will Rick.